Today I'm going to show you how you can study in depth using AI. You can literally learn anything using AI if you follow this tutorial. This will be super in depth. This will be something that you have never seen on the internet. And it's actually completely for free. You can literally check any idea you have, reference it through the internet, and create also amazing notes and get amazing results. So let's go ahead and do it together. So first of all, you need to create a prompt. You need to discuss what you want to do in as much depth as possible. So here I put 3 abstract ideas that I thought about yesterday as I was not able to sleep. The first one is the collective intelligence, reversing time, and the multiverse/parallel universes. So these are the 3 ideas which are kind of interconnected according to my thoughts. And I want to use AI to validate them, study them more in depth, and possibly ground them to actual science. So what I've done is I used 4 AI models. So let me open up those models and show you exactly what I did and what are the next steps. First of all, we tried ChatGPT Deep Research, we tried Gemini Deep Research, we tried Perplexity Deep Research, and Deep Search. In case you want to use these tools as well, you can go on the Nortec Services website /Deep Research Tools. I will leave the link down below, and you can find all of the links for these tools on this website. This is my website, so it's very helpful if you click on it and start interacting with it. Each tool comes with a specific tutorial and the link for the platform. So I put this high quality prompt and I selected deep research in each of these tools. So you can see here an amazing amount of text, and you can see the result from Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Grok. The next step that I did is to get the actual reports, which you can find on the links down below. Maybe I will share them, maybe not. I used ChatGPT to create a graphic. So this graphic, for example, could be used for making a blog, making a presentation. And what I did was create an image using ChatGPT 4o that explains these 3 things collectively. And this is like a whiteboard. So that looks amazing. This is such a nice graphical representation of the overall work. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything into NotebookLM. This is from Google, and I think right now they launched new things like mind maps, which visualize connections with a new mind map feature. So this helps understand complex topics easily, which is amazing. You can discover new study materials directly within NotebookLM. So this adds web sources, and you can understand complex PDFs full of images and graphs. So you can even put outside PDFs that NotebookLM can understand and help you study them. So this is absolutely amazing. And I think NotebookLM is going to be one of the things that's going to be so useful in revolutionizing, education. So you can get access to NotebookLM. You go and create new. So you create a new LLM, and here you can actually upload sources. So you can add PDF, .txt, Markdown, and also audio. And you can also add documents such as Google Docs, websites, copy text. So I'm going to get started and I'm going to copy the text from each of these models. So let me do that. You can add sources here. So let me add all of the sources one by one. Copy contents. Straight up, just copy the contents to your clipboard and just paste them inside the NotebookLM. Let's go with Grok here. It's so simple, guys. It's so simple to populate your ideas, and deep research from 4 different tools allows for as much, information to flow into the NotebookLM model that is going to aggregate everything. So let's click Insert. So this is the pasted text. You can also add notes here, but these are the sources that we got. And what we can do is we can, create notes. We can add audio previews, and you can actually see source guide summary with the key topics for each of the sources. So that's also amazing. So you can also generate a conversation. You can create a study guide, a brief doc. There's so many things to do. So if we click study guide, we are going to get a study guide over here. So it says collective intelligence, time reversal, parallel universes. So it creates the key concepts, the study questions, and it's split up by topic. This is amazing. And glossary of key terms. This is absolutely insane. Gives you quizzes, answers, essay format questions. Literally, this is insane. You can create also an FAQ, a timeline, a briefing doc. You can literally generate whatever you want. So it's still generating these things. You can generate mind maps, audio previews, a conversation between two people. So briefing document, this is amazing. And I want to, really read this stuff, read my ideas, and see how multiple tools ground them to physics, and see, previews, and really dive into the material. This is literally such a deep thing to do, and you can validate philosophical ideas, ideas of science, new ideas with current literature. And this is absolutely amazing. There is an FAQ which gives context. Literally, you can turn this into a document, really detailed, really helpful to new people. If you are a teacher, you can generate these things and be very, very helpful to your students. So maybe you add a chapter and you help your students with these things. So you can generate a mind map, an audio preview, which will be a conversation based on those 4 sources. Maybe you can take these and add them as sources to the text, so it becomes even better. Literally, there's so many things to do, which is absolutely amazing. So you can convert this to source, which is like a study guide or whatever. So here is the mind map. So this is the collective intelligence, time reversal, and parallel universes. When you click on one of the things in the mind map, it says discuss the sources about collective intelligence, and it generates like this amazing text which you can jump into and read for a specific topic. You can literally read about reversing time, time as change, and entropy, thermodynamics, CPT theorem, whatever, limits of time reversal, and these are the topics. So you can get exactly what you want out of this, which is absolutely amazing. This is literally mind-breaking, guys. This is so dynamic. This is so amazing. Literally, I cannot believe what these guys were able to do. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely amazing. From NotebookLM, of course, it's grounded on all of the things that have been done by all of the tools that did the deep research. This is amazing. And you can also generate this audio preview that allows you to give different courses and different materials to your students or to your teachers or to your company. So you essentially give text, you give a dynamic way of going over all of these informations, you give visual ways, and you also give audio ways. And imagine in the future if they could generate educational videos with NotebookLM. So you have audio, visuals, text in a single video. Imagine creating whole courses or whole lectures in the university through this way. This is insane. This is amazing, guys. So let's go ahead and hear what we have here. And there is this interactive mode, which you can ask questions using your microphone. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go back, and you can also download this audio.
Welcome to the deep dive. We got some really, really interesting ideas from you to dig into this time.
Yeah, this is going to be a fun one.
We've got this whole concept of collective intelligence, like baked into the fabric of reality. And then, can we actually reverse time?
Big question.
And then parallel universes. I mean, these aren't just, those late night what ifs.
This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely amazing. And really, guys, what I really want to do right now is just stay here and really dive into all of these things, because I think they're amazing. And you can literally share that with any person you want. And yeah, I find this super nice. Really, this is so refreshing for education, for people that want to learn things and, really move the world forward. I think this is absolutely amazing. This is beautiful. And you can really add all of these things. You can convert all of these things to sources. So maybe we can convert this to source, maybe convert this to source, and maybe this to source. So we add all of this information here. I don't know if you can change this map and turn it into a source. Maybe not. I don't know if you download this, if it's still interactive. Maybe it's not. Yeah, probably it's not interactive because it's just an image. But you can open up all of these things. You can open up like the mind map fully, and have everything mapped out. So that gives you a very nice and good overview. For anyone that wants to study these things. And you can literally traverse this in a PDF file really easily. This is incredible. Look at this. Look at this. This is the most insane thing I ever seen. Like this, if it's polished, it could literally create a revolution in education. Literally, see this mind map. This is insane. This is very in-depth, in all honesty. This is not simple at all. It's good content, well done. But you really can cover all of these basic things step by step. It's amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is incredible. I'm shocked. So if you download the image, hopefully it downloads, the whole image, the whole mind map. And if you zoom in, the quality is great. So you can literally study this super in depth. You can offer this like in terms of chapters into a book to guide users. You can create mind maps of your paper. That is also possible. And yeah, this is amazing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Whoa. So yeah, this is it. I think this is by far the most useful and amazing video I ever made on AI. Thank you so much for watching.